This is how to make Miss Schroeder's world famous pancakes. They are fluffy and delicious. Hi everyone, Miss Schroeder here, and we're about to learn how to make my world famous pancakes. Just a heads up, they're not vegan, you need the milk and the eggs. I am so excited to get started. I've laid out all my ingredients and I'm ready to go. All right, we're gonna start with the dry ingredients. It's 1.5 cup flour. It is a teaspoon of salt, 1 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, and the key here is 3 tablespoons of sugar. That sugar is going to create that nice brown pancake. So these are my dry ingredients, and I'm just going to give them a mix. Once my dry ingredients are mixed together, I'm just going to create a little well, and I'm going to add 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of oil. I use canola, but vegetables good. Technically olive oil would work too. And then I'm going to take half of my milk. So I have 1 1/2 cups milk, and I'm only gonna pour half in to start. So leaving some milk in there. And then I'm going to mix it up. It's going to get pasty to start. Once it's that kind of thick, pasty, glue kind of texture, I'm going to add the other half of my milk. And the key to this is to not over mix. So I'm gonna mix it together till the batter is smooth, but I don't want to mix it after that point. So once I get my batter smooth, that is when I stop. Over mixing results in chewy pancakes. So I've mixed not too long, I'm just getting the sides, giving it a final mix up, and you see it's smooth. There's some lumps, but it's pretty smooth. I'm gonna stop now. I don't wanna over mix. So as you can see, it's pretty smooth, and I'm going to stop mixing. Look, our batter is ready, quick and easy. All right, so now we're going to heat up our pan on medium-high heat, not too hot. I've added some oil, and I'm even gonna just wipe the oil lightly. We don't want too much oil because we don't want the pancakes to get that real crisp. We want them to be nice and golden. So that's gonna heat up, and then I'm gonna start putting the batter on. Just checking to see how hot my pan is, and once it is ready, I'm going to put my batter in the pan. You want to hear a little sizzle when you put them on. The best pancakes that are so fluffy. You'll get about 8 whole pancakes from this recipe, or you can half the recipe and make about 4. Cheers guys, enjoy!